How to see Incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can view the Incognito history for your Google Chrome in your Android device. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Google Chrome application from your device and open up your Incognito mode. To do that, tap on three-dot icon on your top right and tap on New Incognito tab. Now at the top search bar, type in Chrome:// Chrome:// Once you do so, click on to go. Click onto the one that says Chrome History. And just like so, this is how you can see your Incognito Chrome history. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.